back to my room, and I got the incubator running here. Started it yesterday, and I got my eggs. I got enough. These are all my eggs I gotten within four days, and ate some of them that I did not want to incubate just because like the size, like this one's tiny. It looks pretty decent. But if I get like this one right here, it should look bigger. So I'm gonna throw all these in, then make update videos as 21 days go by. Yeah, I'll just use that one. So there we go. Incubator full. If I was really picky, I'll put that in the color assortment. If I just did that, kind of wanted to see how many of them will be fertile. So we got like, this looks like a speckled Sussex. These are the production reds. And let's see, the ones that are colored kind of pinkish, barred rock, and the rest are just miscellaneous here. So you can tell the color right there. Alright, so this video is going to be posted probably Thursday or Friday or Saturday, just so I can keep making an update video in the time frame, so I can keep updating you. And it'll seem like the 21 days are going to go by fast for you guys, because I'm going to update these starting the series few days, like few upcoming days. Okay, if that makes sense. Otherwise, this incubator is full. These two left over, just got lucky that these worked out perfectly. It's going to be breakfast tomorrow. So I just kind of fold these back, and since I sell eggs, I sell a few dozen a week, I will use these. I don't know why I'm folding them up. I put them right here, all the way. I got a whole stack back here. Right here, it goes all the way down to the floor. So these will be perfect to go right there. And I got my water for the incubator to add in here inside this olive oil container. Got a surge protector, because if anything like a fuse blows or something, it won't wreck the incubator. No chance at all compared to just having it directly. I don't know. I don't think I would ever have a problem. But the lid is on. It's at 21. So I got it in here at the perfect timing. And that's going to go up 99.5 and around 55 to 65 degrees for humidity. So I'm just going to let this rise and just check it a couple times a day. Alright, so this is an update video. And this temperature is just about where it needs to be. Eggs are in. Gonna bring these upstairs, wash them for tomorrow morning to eat. And I was thinking if I had room in here, if I didn't get enough eggs today, I was gonna throw a couple of store-bought eggs just to see. Like, people done it. I've seen videos on YouTube, but no, I got my own eggs. Hopefully most of them are fertile. Out of like the 19 hens I got, or 18 hens I got 3 roosters, 1 young one, and 2 mature ones. Salmon Fabro mixed with these are going to be interesting. And Fred, the barred rock rooster, he's kind of mean, but I've seen him fertilize a lot of them hens. So most of these are going to be purebred barred rock and mixies. So can't wait to see the Salmon Fabro mixes. Anyways, thanks for watching. And it's probably close to the weekend or the weekend right now as you're seeing this. So I'll see you on the next update video.